Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I'm going to show you South Canada special breakfast recipe, that is neer dosa, along with that mixed vegetable curry, coriander chutney and one sweet which is made up of coconut and jaggery. Watch complete video for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. For preparing neer dosa, I have taken here dosa rice. Today I have taken 1 cup of dosa rice. Along with that I have taken 1/4 cup of Sona Masuri rice. 1 cup of dosa rice and 1/4 cup of Sona Masuri rice. I am preparing neer dosa for my morning breakfast. So previous day night I am going to soak this rice. I will wash the rice and I am going to soak this rice, and tomorrow morning I will show you the next procedure. In restaurants, along with neer dosa, they will serve one sweet which is made up of coconut and jaggery. Today I am going to show you how to prepare that. For that I have taken little jaggery and I am adding little water. I will dissolve in jaggery in water. Once the jaggery is dissolved in water, allow it to boil for around 1 minute. You can see after boiling for 1 minute, it becomes little thick and the consistency is like this. Now I am going to switch off the stove. Now I have taken a bowl. I am adding little freshly grated coconut. For this I am adding cardamom powder. Now I am adding the dissolved jaggery. You can check the sweet and you can add this. Now this is ready. Today I am preparing coriander chutney. For that I have roasted 3 green chilies and 4 to 5 garlic. Now I am adding coconut. Now I am adding little fried grams, salt for taste, 1 pinch of sugar, this is also for taste. Now I am adding tamarind juice. I will grind this once and then I will add coriander. Once it is partially grinded, I am adding coriander. Once again I will grind this. Now you can see coconut chutney, coriander chutney is ready. Today along with neer dosa I am preparing vegetable curry as combination. For that I have taken pan. I am adding oil. Today I am preparing mixed vegetable curry. Once the oil is heated, I am adding mustard, jeera, chana dal, little urad dal, once the mustard starts popping, I am adding 1 chopped onion and 2 chopped green chilies. Onion is fried. I am adding carrot and potato. You can add whichever vegetables you want. Even you can add green peas, chana dal. Now I am adding little turmeric powder. I am adding little salt so that vegetables will cook very fast. Now I am adding brinjal. Today I am using purple color brinjal. You can use green brinjal also. Even you can use radish, beans. Now I am adding 2 sliced tomatoes. After adding tomatoes, I will close the lid and I will allow it to cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Once the vegetables are cooked, now I am adding sambar powder. This is homemade sambar powder. You can cook vegetables by adding little water. I am adding around 1 spoon of groundnut and til powder. This is for extra taste. Now I am adding tamarind juice. Freshly grated coconut. I will mix this. Add salt as per your taste. Then coriander. It's already boiling. So if I mix this once, instant vegetable curry will be ready. You can even use this with roti, chapati, parota, dosa and all. Now curry is ready. I will switch off the stove. Now morning the rice is soaked well. You can see. Now I am transferring this to mixer jar. Now I am going to add cardamom. I have taken here 2 cardamom. Salt for taste. Now I am adding grated coconut. Around 2 spoons of coconut. Now I will grind this. By adding little water I will grind this. See, I have grinded now. We have to make very fine paste like this. Now I will transfer it to one big bowl. For neer dosa, batter should be very thin. So by adding water, we need to adjust the consistency. Now I am mixing this, and if I need any salt, I will add salt. And by adding water, we need to adjust the consistency. Now I have added around 1.5 glass of water. See, batter must be in this consistency, like watery consistency. See, like this. Once the tawa is heated, grease it with oil. And you can see neer dosa batter is in this consistency, like watery consistency. Now I am going to pour it on tawa. The dosas must be very thin, it must not be thick. Now I am going to add very few drops of oil. This is optional. Neer dosa is a very healthy food, healthy breakfast because it doesn't contain any oil. See, after 1 minute it will come like this. It won't stick to tawa. See, neer dosa is ready. I will show you another one dosa. It's very easy to prepare neer dosa. Within 1 or 2 minutes, one dosa will be ready. Now I am adding little oil. If you don't want, you can skip that also. See, it's very easy. See, today along with neer dosa, I have prepared coriander chutney and then one sweet which is made up of coconut jaggery and another one mixed vegetable curry. You can even prepare potato sagu or Bombay sagu, or tomato chutney is also good with neer dosa. Now you can see South Canada style very healthy breakfast neer dosa is ready, along with coriander chutney, mixed vegetable curry and then sweet which is made up of coconut jaggery and cardamom. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.